Glittering Snowflakes is the title of this collection I'm about to show you. We're going to start with the 12 by 12 papers. You get kind of a little piece of each one on the front. However, that's not all they are. There's so much more. These are 12 by 12. You're going to get 3 of each sheet, and let me just walk you through them. You are going to see foiling, and it is just quite lovely. It's not on every page, and the pages are single-sided, but it is on about half of them. So just really, really gorgeous. There are 12 designs, so you're going to get a total of 36 sheets, and that's really gorgeous. So lots of variety, as you can see. And this is, as I said, the foiling is lovely. It really sort of took our breath away. And here you go. And this is a plain one, but still really, really nice. And another, and more foiling. Okay, so that was all of the 12. And that foiling is just quite wonderful. You really can't foil on a sheet that's been printed double-sided, so that's why they're single-sided. Now, to go along with this, there's more. So one of the things is this 8.5 by 11 luxury cardstock. Now, there are 3 colors, and you can kind of tell that right here, but I wanted you to have a closer look. So here is the dark blue, and here is the glittery silver. Now, it doesn't rub off, not a bit, so you can use that nicely. And then there is a pearl white or soft white. So you're going to get a total of 24 sheets. So you're going to get 8 of each one. And that's going to be really a special thing. I think I'll just leave that silver on top because it's so gorgeous. Now, there's another specialty set. I guess I'll put it like that. And this has just a whole collection of foiled and glittery paper, as well as regular cardstock. It's called a luxury mixed cardstock. And so it's mirror, matte, and pearlescent. Now, I thought I had pulled out the papers, but it looks like I didn't. So let me open this up and slide them out. And you will see it's on here. You kind of get a nice sampling on the front of it, don't you? And here we go. So this is going to gives you little extra pieces in the front of it, but you can see that this is the matte cardstock, then this is the mirror, and there are a total of 24 sheets, so you're going to get 2 of each design or each color, so you can see the blues and the purples, the silvers, and then there is a matte mirror, kind of strange term, isn't it? But you're also going to get that, and then back to the pearl cardstock. So you can see the color range, purples, blues, and they're going to go perfectly with the papers, perfectly with kind of the season, and it is a special set. So we have the Glittering Snowflakes Luxury Mixed Cardstock, Luxury Glitter Cardstock, and then of course the 12 by 12 paper pad. All of this from our friends at Crafters Companion.